So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to move the x term. That's the term with the x attached to it, right? In this case, it's 3x. We're going to move the x term from left to right, right? That's what we want. We want to get the left term, the x term off the left side of the equation onto the right side. That's where it is, and the x is on the right side in slope-intercept form. Okay, right to left side of the equation using inverse operations. Okay, so what does that mean? That means in this case, I have a positive 3x, so if I want to get rid of it, I'm going to say, okay, well, I'm going to subtract 3x. And if I do something on one side of the equation, look, here's my equal sign. Okay, some of you really benefit from drawing this line. You have to do it on the other side of the line, the other side of the equation, right? Don't put minus 3x right here. That makes no sense. That would be us subtracting 3x from this side of the equation twice. We don't want to do that. In equations, we're allowed to make changes as long as we do the same thing to both sides. Okay, so this cancels. Now I'm left with 5y. Now watch what happens here. This is important. Do I do 15 minus 3 and get 12? No, these aren't like terms, right? This is 15 with no x, and this is 3 with an x. So I can't combine these, so watch what I do. Now I could put 15 minus 3x, that would be right. Okay, but watch what I'm going to do, because remember my goal is to make it look like this. That's my goal. So notice here I have a number times x plus a number. So I'm going to take this term, the term with the x, and I'm going to put that one first. And then this is a positive 15. Why put that one first? Because I want it to look like this. That's why. If I had put 15 minus 3x, it's not wrong. It's just I want it to look like this, so I'm trying to get it to look like that. Okay? Now, remember, if I want it to look like this, I need my y by itself. Okay? So, right now, my y is being multiplied by 5. So if I want to get y by itself, I need to divide to isolate y. Okay? Now, the thing that you need to be careful of, when you divide, you have to divide all the terms. Okay? You're going to see what I mean. And just be careful, careful, careful here with the signs. Okay? This is where a lot of mistakes happen. So please just be careful with the signs. Okay, so this is what I mean by divide all terms. If I divide by 5 right here, I don't just divide by 5 once over here. I'm dividing this entire side of the equation by 5. So I'm dividing this by 5, and I'm dividing this by 5. So this is perfect. I have y by itself, and I am so close, right? I know I'm close because look, I have y equals. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay, now negative 3 divided by 5. That doesn't divide evenly, right? 3 divided by 5, it doesn't divide into a whole number, so I'm going to leave it as a fraction. Now I also need to think to myself, this is a negative divided by a positive. A negative divided by a positive is a negative. 3 over 5, I'm going to just keep it as a fraction because it's not a whole number. X, and then 15 divided by 5 is 3, and these are both positive, so this is positive. And there